Okay, so here's what I did to complete the Spring Boot thing with the grade analysis or whatever we were supposed to do. Uh, first, the first thing you want to do is follow this tutorial, handling form submission from Spring. Um, yeah, just do the whole thing. It really doesn't take that long. Um, if you just pay attention and do it step by step, it's not too bad. So once we're done with that, all we have to do is modify a couple of things to actually make this work. Um, Now, in greeting.java that you made in the previous program, you have to add in, well, I added in a string for the grade, and then I added in a function, get grade, and some really terrible logic here to put all this in, and then return the grade. That's the only thing you have to do there. The next thing is greeting.html. This is standard HTML file, so we can just pretty much do whatever we want here. The important thing to note is that this ID is part of the greeting here. You're actually setting this value. So what I'm going to do is use that ID as the total points. Um, so we take the total points, and then we're going to, there's a submit button here. I'll show you that real quick. Let me get it running. So let me turn this on. Okay, so we should be running now. Okay, so that means the server's running. That's all good. Uh, let's go. There we go. So here's what the form looks like. I'm just gonna type in like 900, hit submit, and we got an A there. And then do 400, hit submit, we got an F there. So that's what that looks like. So that's what greeting.html and result.html look like. So you just need to, I commented this section out because I didn't want the content to show up. In result, I changed this to read total points, and I added this line in to get the grade. This is gonna call the greeting.getGrade function right here to actually make that output that code. And that's pretty much it. I left everything else um, exactly like the tutorial. So you really only have to modify 3 things to get that to work. So it's not terrible. If you have any questions, hit me up. I don't know if anybody needs to see this, but here you go.